Hello again. This is Thomas. This is episode 5. Give you another update. What's going on over here in my yard with my bees. My bee box right here. They're not bearding as much today. It's 100 degrees here. But they seem to be doing good. This is the box I caught my first swarm in. And I'm going to build another cooling box for them. Take them down from here in about 3 weeks. Let them build up a little bit. Let them get situated. And then move them out. That's a 7-frame nuke. Over here, I filled my bucket again yesterday to feed them so they can build up pretty quick. And I bought some Man Lake pollen powder to see if they would eat it. I bought it a couple months ago for the first bees, and they don't seem to be taking it at all. I've tried different kinds of feed and they don't take any of it. They just love that syrup water, sugar water. Excuse me. We'll take you over here and see how the cooling's doing. I stopped by the store and picked up a extension cord because the charging, I'm getting too much shade, I believe. I'm not getting enough power with the solar panel. It's reading 11.2 even with that third battery, so I brought out my battery charger, make sure the temperature control is going to stay good. I'm going to get a close-up because I got my bee suit on right now and show you what's going on out here. I don't know if you can hear the fan rolling, but that's the heat sink where the Peltier cooler on one side gets hot, so suck the hot air from the hot side, and the cool side. Let me squeeze out of this a little bit. So here the hot air comes out, but inside on the first video where the 2 hoses go, it goes down towards the front where the front entrance is, and what I'm hoping is it circulates around and then comes out in the back. Back here, the fans are running. I don't know if you can hear them, but they are running. And there's cool air coming out. And as you can see, they're bearding still. Same here on this one. The cooling comes out in the back. But you can hear the fans, they're running. Excuse me. Ooh, get a close-up of the temperature gauge just now. The humidity is 32.2 and it is 33.6 Celsius inside this box, so it is below 95 degrees. You can Google it and see for yourself what it is. And over here, this one is 35.4 Celsius and the humidity is 26.4, so I guess the humidity is good for them to make honey. But 35.4, that's like 95.5 degrees, I believe, on the Celsius to Fahrenheit side. But they are still bearding. But it is getting cooler in there. We'll see how it does in a couple of days. And hopefully it does what I want it to do. Is keep them inside the box working instead of outside. brooding like they are, or whatever they call that. Being a first-year beekeeper, done a lot of research, different things of how these bees do, and I had bees when I was about 13 years old, but that was my family. We had a little small farm, and I decided I wanted to keep some bees, grow that garden that didn't do well at all. It's too hot, but hoping to make some honey here. Got a lot of family members, they like to enjoy it. Well, now we're at 35 here. It's dropping 35, 34.9. Oh, we got an angry one there. Oh, he's coming after me. I'll leave him alone for now. But it is 33.6 over there. It's dropping, cooling down. As soon as I put this battery charger on to make sure that everything's operational until I can get a better charging system out here, I'll have to run the battery charger. But this is your episode 5 update. Let's see how they do with the air conditioning. That's all for this video. You guys have a good night. This is Thomas signing off.